Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me showing you guys how I put my 27 piece in my head. Now, as you guys know, I am going to be using the Ultra India Tyra hair, and this is a 27 piece. Now the 27 pieces are a little bit shorter than the 28 pieces that I usually get, but I'm scooping down and I'm using the 27 piece. Now, as you guys know, I did go in and get this hair in a 1B, so they did not place a stocking cap in here, so I did go ahead and get a dome cap and I placed that on my head. So that's what we're going to be using, and if I do want to take it off, I can go ahead and just take it off with the dome cap. So that's a little bit easier for me to just, you know, go ahead and take it off if I don't want it on. This wasn't nothing but $12.99. So yeah, this is what we're going to be using, and let's just go ahead and do this hair because, girl, as you know, my hair looks a hot mess right now. So so we're gonna go ahead, and I did go ahead and take the bundle that I'm going to be using out of the package, and I'm going to go in and use the medium one. So if you guys don't know, I don't use the smaller one. I just don't like that one. I don't like that one at the bottom because it makes it look really fake, and that's not what we're going to be doing. I want my hair to look so real, like I just cut it off myself, my real hair. Yeah, that's how I want my hair. So I'm going to go in and just start on the medium one, and then we're gonna work our way up to the top because, girl, I look a hot mess right now. If you know, I look a mess. So let's just get into the video. I'm so excited because I haven't had any short hair in a while, so let's just go ahead and do this hair. And I'm kind of excited because, girl, as you guys know, I do love my short hairstyles. My battery's going dead. Oh my god. So you telling me that I have to sit here and wait to my battery charge all the way up, and I only got one battery? I'll see you guys when my battery is charged up. So next I'm going to be going in and using the larger bundle, and this is going to fill up my whole head now. So excited. Okay guys, so I'm done with my hair, and girl, I do not like this dome cap. Guys, this cap is lifting up. I guess that the cap is really big on my head because my head is really little, and the dome cap is really lifting up, and I am so not upset, but okay, I'm upset about it because the cap is really lifting up, and I am so upset because it's really lifting up. But you guys can't tell, can you? So I didn't cut all the back out because it was going to lift all the way up, and the dome cap is really big. So girl, we're just gonna have to work with what we're doing right now. And this hair is really soft. I'm actually, this hair is lifting up. As you guys can see, one side is down and one side is up. So, but I like it, girl. I can work this, so I really like it. When I was cutting it, it was styling, so that's what I like, and it's straight and everything. So, but I just don't like the cap that I got. Like, I wish that I looked at it instead of like picking stuff up. I gotta double check my stuff, and girl, I think I got an extra large in a cap, and that's not what I was aiming for. So next time I'm gonna double check my caps, because this cap is really big on my head and it's like sliding off. So probably when I'm asleep it's gonna fall off. So this is really pretty. I'm actually loving how I did it, and like hiding my hair up at the top, so it's not like noticeable and everything. You can't see the dome cap, can't see my hair, you can't see anything. So I'm actually excited about this, and let me see if I can flat iron this hair. But I'm not really thinking about flat ironing this hair at all, so let's just not even worry about it. If you guys are looking forward to this hair, you can go ahead and get this hair at any local beauty supply store. Yeah, this hair is $12.99, so you can't beat that. And I'm in love with this hair, and I'm ready to show the world this hair. So I'll talk to you guys in another video, and I'm so excited about this hair. Girl, I'm sorry I'm moving around because girl, you know me, I'm really excited, and when I get excited I get to moving around. But thank you all so much for watching my video, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't even be here. As you guys know, I did make me an Instagram page, so I will be dropping that down at the bottom of the video or down in the description box. So if you guys would just go ahead and follow me over on the other side, and yeah, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you guys are subscribing to my channel. And I love you guys so much, and hopefully this hair don't fall out. But I love you guys so much. Bye.